Continuing from where we left off yesterday, you know, I pointed out this level that this is a perfect place for us to sell, provided price close below this low. So let's assume price close below this low. It could have been another story entirely. But we were within this level when I was even doing the video yesterday. We're seeing price fluctuating in between these lines. But the determinant of whether we're going to continue to sell with the market is whether it closed below this low. So if you watch yesterday's video, you understand what I mean from that level. And if we if we look closely, we'll see that we are still within this order block, and we can see what price is doing from all these levels. And we are still anticipating sell anyway. But nonetheless, we have this level, and we did analyze a reversal or something from here. But with what price did here, that change our mind to kind of continue to look for sell. And all the buy that we took from this level did not reach our objective before turning against us. And as you can see, we have price taking this low and closing below it, which is an indication that price is ready and we even more willing to go lower in. And the reason why I even that we were kind of not looking closely to this left side is because of this closure below this low. Had even price did not close below this low here, it should have been a simple indication, an indication for us that price is ready to go to reverse and go into the high. But we have this clear reversal pattern here, and we are anticipating. I wasn't anticipating anyway, but we have this level. But because we have OB above us, and we are expecting and anticipating the fact that okay, we might have some nice reaction from within this level, then to take out this low. That's the reason why we did not even consider this leg at all. And even the time that I really want to consider the leg, I see the proper mitigation of this fair value gap that we have here into the area, and we have price broke above it. So I automatically rationalize that we might not be reacting from this level again. And another reason why I did not consider this level is because price closed within it, close below this low and close, and we always try to stick with the right side of the market, and that's the reason why we have to be very very careful with the way we take our risk in the market. So anything can happen, and for some time now it has been some kind of losing streak because of this internal structure that we have here. I supposed to continue into the highs, but market does two things: it takes out liquidity and it balance and imbalance. So we have this level here, and if you watch my video either on Monday or Tuesday, I talked about this imbalance that we have here. It's fair value gap one and fair value gap two with this internal structure in between two of them. This one might be a breakaway gap of this level, but nonetheless, since we have this internal structure being closed below, then I personally believe that we are ready to go lower. But uh, uh, thinking from the fact that market does two things, which is take liquidity and rebalance and imbalance within the market, something we can see clearly from this daily objective that we have. It is very clear that market is willing to do what, to go lower. But nonetheless, we talked about this internal structure being the level that might want to send price into this high to give us a proper mitigation of this reclaim order block that we have here. But nonetheless, what do? We just continue to do what, to flow with the market and try to see. But one thing I've noticed over time is the fact that okay, all our entry give us at least 1 to 5 to 2, but because we are anticipating 1 to 3, and that's what will give us our numbers edge, our probability edge, and the most statistical edge in the market, then I'm not willing to do it. So it is better to stick with the rules because of the time that is going to favor us. Now it might not be favoring us, and it might not be our best time in the market with our strategy, but nonetheless, we're still going to continue to examine what price is doing. And within this level as well, within this level, since price did not close below this low, so on 15 minutes, I was anticipating the fact that okay, since we are within this level and price did not close below our anticipated level, what should we be expecting it? But within the next 4 hour, we see what the way price played itself out. And personally, I would have jumped on this level as well. So I was anticipating 4 hour closure above this level here. Even above this level, price did not close above it, because that would have been my perfect indication that we are, because all these levels traded in between this level. So but because we did not close above this level, and this is the next 4 hour, we have to wait for this next 4 hour to kind of close before we'll be anticipating any further price movement in the market. So this 4 hour candle did not close we above this level, so it was the opening of another candle that we have this level being transcended above. And from experience, we have to wait for this level, I mean, either of the two levels to close either above or below. But it saved us from this level, the closure that did not close, save us from this level, from us selling. And at the same time, it prevent us from even joining the buy from within this level, because we are anticipating some kind of closure above. And as you can see, we have even this leg here. I thought personally that okay, might be having some kind of reaction from within this level, and we did have reaction from the level, because no, was it this level? No, it was actually this level, because we already have this level here. So it was actually this level that I am thinking maybe we're going to have some kind of something from. But what do we see? We see that even from the level, we did have some type of reaction from that level. So now we are within price is still trading within the order block. But as per what is happening in the market, we still have to be flowing with whatever is happening. This OB, we are still trading from this reclaim order block, and we are still within this OB. But for whatever reason, we are experiencing all these things within this level. We have to be very, very careful moving forward, so that we did not harm ourselves eventually. So what we're going to do basically is kind of take out even this buy is yet to, we are yet to tap it, but we're going to wait. And today being Friday, we just redo the something and try to not rush ourselves into it. Removing all annotation, trying to see clearly from within the market and try to see what market is doing with this particular leg here. We can see a proper reversal from this level and this internal structure being closed below. Yet we still have a reversal from. So if we are going to pick anything, it's going to be from within this leg. We will not be referencing this leg again because of the shift that we've gotten from within this level here. So this is a major shift in the market. This is major MSS in the market. And now I believe market has switched to the other side of the something. Then we need to continue to do what? To look for buy without hazard. So, and we have immediately switch, we have the liquidity of this low being taken, and we break. This is a flip in the market. As a flip point, major flip, and we have a break of structure above this level. So structure break from within that level, and here automatically becomes a strong low, at least for now, until if that will be is strong enough to send price lower. So here will be our strong low, and automatically we'll be anticipating a weak high to this level. So we'll be expecting the liquidity above that high to be taken, except the other block is strong enough to push the price lower, of which anything can happen from this level. So here we'll be anticipating some kind of reversal, something too, from that level, provided the OB want to send us lower. So if we are to do that and we did analyze from within this level to this level, you can see where the 50% of the daily range lies. And looking closely to daily, we can see that we might be expecting some kind of this level might actually be our order block, a massive order block in the market. But nonetheless, we're not going to kind of like take the orange. This is going to be our order block. And as you can see, we've gotten a mitigation of that level. But the opening of the candle is star level, and it's going to be our PDA level. But nonetheless, we know a lot of things that happen. Then, unless we close above this high, then if peradventure this OB is my proper level to take, but with the kind of reaction we are having and a lot of imbalances that we have here, we have liquidity void coming from within these levels here. So anything can happen. So if we're going to be taking any trades at all, it's going to be from within this level to this level. So this is going to be an OB within an OB, which is a 4-hour OB for this daily OB. And personally, I'll be anticipating price coming to this level. But nonetheless, I personally would like to take this internal structure as my own level to buy from, in the sense that for whatever reason we have this internal structure being invalidated, then automatically we know that price is not ready to do what, to come down. So if anything is going to be the trade that I saw initially when I opened the chart. So that would be my potential place that I'll be anticipating price to look to take trades from. So that will give us 66 pips in the market. And if peradventure we have this level not being properly mitigated, and and price we really want to fail, we can have some kind of trade mitigation of this level into the high before price continue to. So provided this mm, weak high, which is a major higher high, is not ready to sustain price into, it's not ready to give room to price to go forward. So this will be our level that we'll be anticipating moving forward, provided that this we have our reclaim order block and our major order block that we are trading within now, not to send price lower. So this will be our trade, at least for now. And we have to be very, very careful in the markets. It's numbers game. Just have to continue to play it and try to, that's how it is. That's the reason why we don't have to be cocky or try to be pompous or try to, and that's the reason why you don't see me when I win to start flaunting my win, and when I lose I sap. No, it's the same thing always. You just have to maintain the same energy both for winning and both for losing. It's not easy psychologically, but it's something we have to do. It is what it is. Because if you don't do that, it's going to mess with your psychology and your proper way of living. So thank you very much. Have a lovely and a profitable day. It's not everybody that loves that comes online. Everybody like flaunting here and there, but nonetheless, when we get to that stage, we know how it is. But for now, we are within this level. So thank you very much. Have a lovely and a profitable day. God bless us all. Amen.